Tech trends in medicine, transforming wellness and personal health. Discover how AI, wearables, and telemedicine are revolutionizing medicine, helping you take charge of your personal transformation and health. Tech trends in medicine, how innovation is changing your health journey. Hey, I've been meaning to tell you about some really exciting things happening in medicine right now. You know how technology is always evolving, but lately, it feels like the medical world is getting a major upgrade, and it's stuff that directly affects how we manage our health and wellness. Whether you're someone who loves gadgets or just wants to feel more in control of your own health, this is for you. So picture this. Artificial intelligence, or AI as everyone calls it, is becoming a huge part of diagnosing diseases. Instead of waiting what feels like ages for test results and second opinions, AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, blood tests, and even symptoms instantly. This means faster, more accurate diagnoses, which is a game changer, especially for conditions that need quick action. What's really cool is that AI isn't just for doctors. Apps using AI can help you monitor things like your heart rate, blood sugar, or even mental wellness. That ties into a broader trend, the rise of wearable health devices. You know those smartwatches or fitness bands people always talk about? They're no longer just counting steps or calories. Now, they can detect irregular heartbeats, track sleep stages in depth, monitor stress levels, and send alerts if something seems off. This kind of tech is empowering us to take a more active role in our personal transformation and self-care. Instead of waiting for symptoms to get bad, you can track your body's signals daily and make informed decisions about your lifestyle. This fits perfectly into a holistic health approach, looking at the whole person, not just symptoms, to promote wellness. Another interesting trend is telemedicine, which exploded during the pandemic but is here to stay. Virtual doctor visits make healthcare more accessible, especially for people living in remote areas or those with busy schedules. On top of convenience, telemedicine sometimes includes AI assistants that help schedule your appointments, remind you to take medications, and even help interpret test results. An area that's just starting to grow is personalized medicine. This means treatments and medications tailored specifically to your genetic makeup and lifestyle. Imagine taking a medication that's not just a one-size-fits-all approach, but is actually designed for how your body works. It's about maximizing success in treatment and minimizing side effects. Personalized medicine is a huge step toward a truly healthy lifestyle. Let's not forget about mental health. The conversations around it are growing louder, which is fantastic. Technology offers tools for mindfulness and managing stress through meditation apps, virtual therapy sessions, and AI-based mood tracking. These tools complement traditional care and promote overall wellness. Now, all these innovations tie directly back to the bigger picture of health and wellness, which is more than just the absence of illness. It's about embracing a lifestyle of self-help, mindfulness, and proactive care to improve our quality of life in meaningful ways. If you're interested in learning more about how these emerging technologies fit into broader wellness strategies, you might want to check out some great resources. There are books and guides packed with insights on holistic health, mental health, and cultivating a healthy lifestyle. Explore the books now and empower yourself on this journey toward better self-care. You can find a whole selection on this topic here, Health and Wellness Books. Before I wrap up, here's a quick recap of the key tech trends shaping medicine right now. AI-driven diagnostics, faster, more precise medical analysis. Wearable health devices, real-time monitoring that promotes proactive care. Telemedicine, convenient, accessible healthcare anytime, anywhere. Personalized medicine, tailored treatments based on your unique genetic profile. Mental health technology, mindfulness and therapeutic support through apps and AI. All of these trends are converging to give us greater control over our personal transformation and success in managing wellness. It's pretty inspiring to think about how much technology is supporting holistic health and making wellness more accessible for everyone. Thanks for hanging out here today to hear about these trends. Next time we chat, I'll share some self-help tips to complement this tech so you can improve your daily routine and keep thriving.